Well, there's Pill. I think it might be Lil. And right on the other side, it's the couple. Pill and Lil. Not a good angle, but trust me. And then we got a little, looks like a little downey seeing what's going on. Oh, he's pretty bold and brave. And we got a woodpecker festival. And we like that. Pill and Lil. Now those other downies says, you know, I think we'll wait our turn. Bears, yeah, they look happy. They're liking that smaller cage, though. I'll have to get back to quality control. All right, you two. Always good to see you.